Before accruing time, the employer details need to be added to the PER recording tool. From the dashboard, click the View Employment button, and then add New Employer. Here there will be a prompt to enter the employer's details. Any field that's marked with an asterisk is mandatory, and will need to be completed, or it will not allow the employer's details to be saved. The employer's name and address details will need to be added. Once all the mandatory fields have been completed, click Save and Finish. The employer's details will have been successfully added to the PER record. This can be edited or deleted if needed. Next, details about the role will need to be added. To do this, click the Add New Role button, and will now be prompted to add the role details, including job title, the start date, the end date if this is applicable, the average hours per week worked in this position, and the percentage relevance of the role. Select Yes if this is an approved employer for trainee development, if it's an audit-related role, and if this is a lecturing role. Future members can claim a maximum of 12 months lecturing experience towards their practical experience requirement, and this must be at a level equal to, or higher than our applied skills level exams. Also, if the role being entered is a current role, the end date field should be left blank. If a role is part-time, or is not 100% relevant to accountancy or finance, the time will be automatically calculated on a pro rata basis. Once the information is entered, click Save and Finish. Now that the employment information has been added, this needs to be linked to the practical experience supervisor for this role. Click into the employment record and scroll to the bottom of the page. Here select Add New Supervisor, and a prompt will appear to enter the required details. This will be the supervisor's name, email address, relationship to the trainee and job title. When selecting the relationship, remember that to be eligible to sign off performance objectives, they must be an IFAC qualified accountant or be recognized by law in the country that you're based, and they must have knowledge of your work. They must be someone with whom you work closely, who knows the type of work you're doing and the quality of your work. They'll be assessing your achievements, so it's important they have the knowledge and expertise to do this. Ideally, this will be your line manager, or the person to whom you report on particular projects or activities. If it isn't your line manager, it must be someone within your employment, or if external, has a business connection. For example, someone such as your employer's external accountant or consultant. They cannot be a lecturer, an acquaintance, or mentor. Remember that a non-IFAC qualified line manager can still sign off the relevant time you've completed in your role, but they'll not be eligible to sign off your performance objectives. Click Save and Send Invite, and this will send an email to the supervisor to link their account to the future member's account. Once your supervisor has linked their account to yours, and if you've achieved 36 months of experience, or you've end dated your employment role, you'll be able to claim your time. To claim time, click Claim Time from the ribbon bar. Click the Claim Time button next to the employment information. Confirm the supervisor you're sending this time claim to. Then leave any comments required for the practical experience supervisor to read. Reconfirm the agreement to the strict liability clause, then click Submit. A confirmation message will be shown on screen. You can check the status of the request by clicking into the Claim Time section again. Here we can see any requests that are awaiting approval, and which requests have been approved. Thanks for watching.